Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Medialink AC1200 Range Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Medialink AC1200 extender setup is the one of the best. The Medialink AC1200 Range Extender is a dual-band Wi-Fi device designed to boost and extend your existing wireless signal to areas with weak coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Medialink AC1200 Range Extender into a wall outlet near your main router. Turn the extender on using the power button, if available. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid, which means the extender is ready. On your phone, laptop, or PC, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network name like Medialink_XT or Medialink_2GXT or Medialink_5GXT. Connect to this network. No internet will be available at this stage, this is normal. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox. In the address bar, type 192.168.0.254. Press Enter. The Medialink login page will open. Enter the default login details. The username and password is admin. Click Login. If the login page doesn't open, make sure you're connected to the extender's Wi-Fi and also try another browser. Once logged in, the setup wizard usually starts automatically. If not, click Wireless Settings or Quick Setup manually. Choose Range Extender/Repeater mode. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, from the list. Make sure you choose the correct band, 2.4 GHz, longer range, or 5 GHz, faster speed, shorter range. Enter your main router's Wi-Fi password carefully. You may choose to keep the same Wi-Fi name or use a new name, example, HomeWiFi_XT. Click Apply/Save/Next. The extender will save settings and restart automatically. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Do not unplug the extender during this process. Check internet access to confirm successful setup. Unplug the extender and move it halfway between the router and weak Wi-Fi area. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.